The flagship kit from Deadman's Beard Co. is called the Pro Beard Care Kit, and that is because it makes professional level beard care as simple as a 3-step routine. And we're going to get into all of it and what you should do and what it does and what they offer, but I should introduce myself. My name is Dan C. Bearded. I have partnered with Deadman's Beard Co. for this content on their YouTube platform. So if you guys have not, consider subscribing to their channel, liking the video, interacting with the comments down below. And I hope that this is helping out. I do YouTube as a career, but I love being able to help companies like this get information about what they do at such a great level. So the Pro Beard Kit from Deadman's includes 4 products of 1 scent. Now, I did mix and match on this one just because show a little bit of a difference. And the main thing is I used all of my black water wash. And so I'm out and went to slate. But what you have is a full-size beard wash and beard conditioner. Now, the beard wash is the Gentle Daily. Now, they do have a stripping wash in a smaller size that you can get in addition. And there's a bunch of other products like liquid butter and so many others. But we're talking about this beard care kit, the Pro, what you really need. Beard wash, beard conditioner, beard oil, a 1 ounce, and then the beard butter, which is, how many ounces we have on this guy here? I think that the butter is a 2, oh, it's behind here. You got the sticker covering it up, of course. I don't want to misspeak on here. I'm pretty sure I know, but we want to make sure we get this correct for the video. It is 2 ounces, 2 ounce butter. The 3 steps are very simple. Cleanse, which is using the wash and conditioner. Nourish, which is using the oil. And then condition, which is using the beard butter. Dan, it says conditioner. Yes, condition is different than conditioner, which is different than conditioning. We'll get to it. In the shower every single day, I personally recommend washing your beard with a gentle wash. 1 day a week, you can swap it for a stripping wash, but wash every day in the shower. I recommend every other day following it with a conditioner. Some people do it daily, some people don't. It's up to you. That's your beard. Do your thing. This is going to clean your beard. This is not going to harm your beard and overly strip it or break down the beard itself. The conditioner helps detangle and not have those snags that catch. Very important, especially for the area of your face that is under your nose and surrounding your mouth. Wash your beard. That's step 1. Then out of the shower on a damp beard, you're going to apply your beard oil to the skin first and then throughout the beard. Good little rule to consider is per inch of beard, try 3 drops of Deadman's beard oil. It's a good baseline to give you. That is the nourishment. Wait about 5 minutes for the oil to absorb in. You can use heat. You don't need to use heat. It's up to you. And then hit it with the beard butter. That beard butter is for the hair only. You likely only need a little bit of like a nickel or dime size. Melt it down, put it throughout your beard. This is going to give it a different type of conditioning. A long chain fatty acid just boost of nourishment for your beard so it'll feel softer. So it'll be smoother when you run a comb through it, and it's just good for the hair itself. This is all you need. There's a whole bunch of other things, including mustache wax and all sorts of stuff. They have their place. They have their purpose. But this is the Pro Beard Care Kit. It truly covers you to have the best looking, smelling, and feeling beard possible. Down below, you guys, what questions do you have about this kit? What wonderings do you have about the routine? And then any experience or comments that you would like to leave. I know Deadman's would appreciate that. Thank you for checking the video out today, you guys, and make sure you go head over to their website to see how you can treat yourself and your beard.